Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about something that can literally mean bigger VA paychecks for veterans. How to appeal your VA decision to get an earlier effective date and why it matters for back pay. If your VA effective date feels off or you think you should have gotten benefits earlier than the VA assigned, this video breaks down your options, how to fix it, and when to consider an appeal. Your effective date is the start date that the VA uses to begin your disability compensation entitlement. The earlier it is, the more retroactive pay, aka back pay, you're entitled to receive. For most claims, that date is either the date the VA received your claim or the date your entitlement arose, like when you first became disabled, whichever comes later. This is why getting the effective date right isn't just a technicality, it can mean thousands of dollars in back pay. There are a few common reasons the VA sometimes assigns the wrong effective date. 1. The VA overlooked an earlier intent to file date you submitted. 2. The VA ignored evidence showing that your condition existed earlier than decided. 3. The VA misapplied the rule for service separation time and like disregarding a claim filed within a year of discharge. 4. VA simply made the processing error or misinterpretation of the evidence. If any of these happen in your case, you might be entitled to a corrected effective date with retroactive pay. Under the Appeals and Modernization Act, AMA, there are three main ways to appeal a VA decision, including the effective date. 1. Higher level review, or HLR. This is where a senior VA adjudicator rechecks a decision for errors. You don't submit new evidence here, just point out the mistakes like using the wrong date. 2. A supplemental claim. Choose this if you have new and relevant evidence that the VA didn't consider, like service records or earlier medical evidence that proves entitlement begin earlier. And 3. Board of Appeal. If that still doesn't fix the effective date issue, you can appeal to the Board of Veterans Appeals, or BVA, for legal review, choosing from 3 available dockets. Each of these must be filed within 1 year of your decision letter, so timing matters. Here's how to give your effective date appeal the strongest shot. Review your decision letter closely. Note the effective date the VA assigned and exactly what they said, what they did. Gather all evidence that shows you should have been entitled earlier, like service treatment records, doctor's reports from years ago, or your intent to file date, and decide which review option fits your situation. No new evidence? Go HLR. Got new and relevant evidence? Supplemental claim. Complex legal issue? Board of Veteran Appeals. Track your appeal at va.gov and respond to any VA requests quickly. If you win at an early and effective date, the VA often pays retroactive benefits in a single pay back lump sum, which can add up fast. There's also special situations where the VA essentially admits they clearly messed up a previous decision. This is known as a CUE, or a clear and unmistakable error claim, and if successful, it can fix your effective date even after the 1 year window in some rare cases. If you think the VA got your effective date wrong and you deserve it earlier, don't sleep on it. A corrected effective date means more back pay and benefits you earned. For a deep dive on how to file each type of appeal and the exact evidence that helps the VA give you the earliest effective date possible, check out the blog post we've linked in the description below. Hit the like if this helped you, subscribe for more claim strategy, and drop a comment if you want us to break this down with examples in a future video. I'm Terrell, this is VA Claims Insider, and as always, thank you for serving with honor.
This business is not sponsored by or affiliated with the United States Department of Veterans Affairs or your state's Department of Military and Veterans Affairs or any other federally chartered veterans service organization. Other organizations, including but not limited to your state's Department of Military and Veterans Affairs, a local veteran service organization, and other federally chartered veteran service organizations provide this service free of charge. You may qualify for other veterans benefit services outside the scope of what this business offers. All disability claims for increased ratings are processed by the United States Department of Veterans Affairs. This business cannot expedite the processing of your claim by the United States Department of Veterans Affairs.